If your Cash App account has been restricted, you may be able to appeal the decision. Follow these steps to navigate the appeal process effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Contact Cash App support. Open the Cash App on your device and navigate to the Profile section. From there, select Cash Support and choose something else. Look for the option to report an issue with your account restriction and follow the prompts to contact support. Step 3. Explain your situation. When you reach out to support, clearly explain why you believe the restriction is unwarranted. Provide any evidence or context that may help your case, such as transaction history or communication with other users. Step 4. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient and wait for a response from Cash App support. This may take a few days, so check your email regularly for updates regarding your appeal status. Step 5. Follow up if necessary. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable timeframe, consider following up with Cash App support. You can do this by replying to any previous communication or starting a new support request. In conclusion, appealing an account restriction on Cash App requires careful preparation and clear communication. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of resolving the issue successfully.